Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the chat for the person whose tone you want to change. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and phone notifications aren't blocked. Once in the chat, tap the contact name at the top to open contact info. This entry is where personal settings live. It bypasses global notification menus. Make sure you have permission to modify tones on this device. Now that contact info is visible, proceed to the Custom Notifications section to set a unique sound for this single contact. Once contact info shows, locate and toggle Custom Notifications on. This reveals personal alerts just for that contact. Tap Notification Tone or Ringtone to open your phone's picker and browse available sounds. If you want a custom file, choose the option to pick from your device storage and select an MP3 or similar. WhatsApp will use that file for this person only. Remember to save or confirm the selection. Changing this does not affect group tones or global settings, so it isolates alerts to this contact. After picking the tone, confirm and save, typically by tapping OK or Done, then exit back to the chat. To verify, ask the contact to send a message or send one from another device. You should hear the new sound. If you don't, make sure phone volume and do not disturb aren't blocking notifications, confirm WhatsApp has notification permission, and ensure the chosen file still exists. If problems persist, toggle custom notifications off and on, and reselect the tone to refresh the setting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.